Okay, so we're going to solve the problem using the tree diagram and the fundamental counting principle. The situation. In a restaurant's menu, you're allowed to choose from 5 main dishes and 3 drinks. How many different kinds of combinations are available? The first solution is the tree diagram. We have here 5 main dishes and 3 drinks. To find how many combinations there are, we're going to pair the first main dish to the 3 drinks, and that makes 3 combinations. Then we're just going to repeat the process until we have created all possible combinations. Here is the simple form of the tree diagram. Each main dish has 3 different drinks, which is equivalent to 3 combinations. Now if we add them all, we get the maximum possible combination for each meal. We add it and we have 15 different combinations. Now the fundamental counting principle is the most easiest one because you only have to add the main dish and the drinks to get the maximum possible. That's all for today and thank you for watching.